What is up, YouTube family? We are back with another video. As you read by the title, we are making food, baby. The Great Whitaker Cook Off.
Daddy, I will make a pizza.
So we have Play-Doh. We small YouTubers, so we buy the low budget Play-Doh. So you get Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, we each gonna come up with a food out of Play-Doh, and we'll let you, once we get done, we'll present it to you guys, and you tell us in the comment section below who had the best looking food.
I'm gonna have the best.
If you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel to become part of our family. Also, you can follow us on social media. You can follow your boy on Twitter, Snapchat, IG, MySpace, Bebo, all that good stuff at M-Terrell82.
I'm at 5.
And you can follow Mama on social on Snapchat as well at MZ_KENDI, baby. Hopefully, this is a video that we just record straight. I don't have to edit. Come on, children gonna act right. I don't have to fuss at them or get on to them about being too wild. So let's pray for an uninterrupted video. Of course, I'm gonna edit some of it out, but you know what I mean. Without further ado, let's get to the Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Wait.
Hold on, buddy. Don't use the whole red. Use some of the red. Don't use the whole one color because we ain't got we're on the budget, so you can't use all one color. You got to figure it out.
We have 2 yellows. All right. We are done with the Play-Doh food. That is not creative at all. So we're going to let Jordan explain what hers is. It's a different type of pizza, but I'm about to put some eggs on top.
Oh,
So you got eggs on your pizza?
people actually eat eggs on their pizza.
What?
So what's on your pizza, Jordan?
It's some green peppers, a little bit different, and some red peppers and some sauce on the pizza, but it's a little bit white.
The white is cheese.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you got, Terrell?
Alright, this is scrambled eggs, bacon, dumplings, a hamburger, and some fries from McDonald's.
Oh,
Cool. Let me see your fries. All right.
cool.
With eggs.
What you got here, Mom?
I made waffles and sunny side up eggs and bacon and some juice in a blue cup. It's orange juice in there, but then my orange slices on it.
So Mama's probably the most creative. She is the most creative out of all of us. So what I made was, what I made was,
What's that?
I made some beef liver.
Oh,
Yellow, what?
it ain't even shaped like liver. You could at least cut it to shape it like liver, man.
So I made some beef liver right here. So beef liver, and then,
You like mine? You know that.
He don't even eat beef liver, y'all. Why he make that?
I'm the most creative.
Good job. You even got an egg on it, girl.
You can egg, it's one side of egg.
So it's safe to say, Jordan 1, Terrell 2, Mama 3, and I'm in 4th place.
Yeah.
My beef liver. Well, we thank you guys for watching this video.
That was fun.
If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you like this little cook-off, the Great Whitaker Cook Off, give it a thumbs up. Remember, guys, work hard, play hard, love hard, pray hard. Till next time, guys, God bless you, and God bless your family. Peace.